In this video, I will show you how you can set up your AirTag with any iPhone. But before we start, just make sure that some settings are enabled and set up on your iPhone. First of all, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. You can either use your cellular data or you can connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. And also make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. After you've done that, now just make sure that iCloud keychain and two-factor authentication are set up on your iPhone. And also make sure that location services are enabled from the settings. Now after you've enabled all these features, and if you have just unboxed your AirTag, just pull the tab from your AirTag to activate your AirTag. And after you do that, you will see a pop-up appear on your iPhone screen. But if you're using a second-hand AirTag, or if it has been a while since you have activated your AirTag, then in that case, on your iPhone, just open the Find My app, and at the bottom of the screen, just tap on Items. And in the Items section, just tap on Add Item and select Add AirTag. Now just keep your AirTag close to your iPhone, and after you do that, your iPhone will detect your AirTag. Now just tap on Connect, and from here, just select for what you want to use your AirTag. I will select Custom Name, then tap on Continue. Now just give a name to your AirTag, just like that. And after that, just tap on Continue. And from here, just select an emoji for your AirTag. I will select this emoji, then tap on Continue and select Agree. And after you do that, you will pair your AirTag with your iPhone. Now just select Done. And as you can see, we have successfully paired our AirTag with our iPhone. And as you can see from here, you will be able to find your AirTag using your iPhone, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.